All right, so quick little video. So I picked this compressor up yesterday. I got that one a few months ago, but long story short, got it yesterday, rolled it off the trailer, pressure washed it, just lightly sprayed the bottom, make it look good. Well, needless to say, I could not get it tilted upright, even with the motor hoist. It's just too heavy for me. So I'm gonna remove the motor, remove the pump. I'm gonna do the same thing for this one over here. And then I'm gonna end up pressure washing both of them again, sanding them. Pressure wash them again, sand, and then pressure wash them one more time. And then I'll prime them. I'll end up painting them down the line. But after I prime them, I'm gonna clean the inside of them out. So I've seen a few people do it before on YouTube. They had two dollies put together, strapped together. So I'm gonna put two dollies together, spray some stuff in there, cap everything off, let it roll, tumble, so to speak, and then dump it all out, keep doing the process, rinse and repeat over and over again until it's clean in the inside. And then I'm gonna put some rust, something like for like a rust converter or whatever along the inside of them, and pretty much go from there. This one along the bottom, they had some bubble gum, is what I call that weld, but I'm gonna grind that down. It's right up in here. I'm gonna grind that down and go from there, see what we get. But long story short, 280-gallon compressors, both of them work. I did drop it yesterday a few times. So I gotta replace that pulley on it because it cracked. Got a little spot on the concrete where it busted up some of the concrete. This is a piece of the pulley. But yeah, so just stay tuned.